Kaibigan, nagpaplano ka bang gumawa ng isang project o pumasok sa isang bagong profesyon or career or magnegosyo na? Sa mundo ng events, kung saan nandun ako, ang events, ang turing namin dyan ay isang project. In every project, there's a beginning and an ending. And every time we do events, we all know that we should first begin, no matter what the challenges are, and we should have the energy to finish it. And kapag nandun ako sa prosesong yun, I always remind myself sa sinabi ni Denzel Washington. Ang sabi ni Denzel Washington, without commitment, you will never start. Without consistency, you will never finish. Kaya naman, if you're planning anything, always have the commitment in order for you to be able to start that particular project or undertaking and to finish it, to accomplish it. You should be consistent. Day in, day out, take small steps. At kapag ginawa mo yun, definitely, you will finish that project. You will achieve the objectives and goals that you set for yourself doon sa particular na undertaking na yun.